Imagine dedicating your entire life to exploring the final frontier, only to get permanently grounded, not by gravity, but by politics. This is the story of an astronaut who could have changed history, but instead got blacklisted for speaking his mind. In 1966, NASA was preparing for one of its most ambitious missions yet, Apollo 7. Enter astronaut Walter Schirra, a seasoned space veteran and the only astronaut to fly in Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo missions. But his last mission would be the one that got him banned from space forever. During the mission, things took a turn. Schirra and his crew suffered from severe head colds, making the already brutal conditions of spaceflight unbearable. But when NASA ordered them to put on their helmets for re-entry, Schirra outright refused. His reasoning? Their sinuses were clogged. Wearing helmets could literally burst their eardrums. NASA was not amused. After safely returning to Earth, Schirra didn't hold back. He went public about the miserable conditions astronauts face, criticizing everything from poor planning to the dangers of blindly following protocol. The result? NASA never let him fly again. Despite his flawless record, Schirra was quietly erased from future missions. So, was he right? Well, modern NASA agrees with him. Helmets during re-entry, now optional. Astronauts getting sick in space, now a major research priority. Walter Schirra may have been too honest for his time, but he was absolutely right. And yet, he remains the only astronaut from the Apollo era who never got another chance to fly. But here's the real question. Was this just NASA being petty, or was there something bigger at play? Some say Schirra wasn't just complaining about a helmet. He was exposing cracks in the system NASA didn't want the public to see. What do you think?